Hi, today I'm for review Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So to do that, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. But if you see that the Google Assistant is activated by press and hold to the power key and you don't want to use it, you just can use the power key button and volume up button together. Just press them together for 1 second and you just will see here the power off menu. But if you don't use the volume up and power key button, you can use only the power button. But just to do that, we should disable the Google Assistant by press and hold to the power key. And to do that, we should open the settings and then scroll down to the gestures section. Then scroll down and click to press and hold power button. Just tap on the switcher to turn on Google Assistant, and now just by press and hold to the power key we can see the power off menu. So just to turn off this device, click to power off icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.